It's time to look at transitions between pages. It's easy to do. Here we go. We've got cool flows. We've got dissolves. We've got slide-ins, and we've got chops. You're never allowed to use a chop. They're easy to do. It's a quick video. Let's dive in. All right, so to find transitions, what we're going to do is you need to click on the background, okay, whatever that happens to be, and you will find them over here. There's a transition option. No, they're not. They went and moved them. So this is a little update for the video. Transitions have moved. So you used to be able to kind of click on the background, and I will in the rest of the course, if I do jump back into it. I think I've caught them all, but if I do it again, there might be transitions on the top there in the video, but they're not there in real life. Okay, what they've done now is you've got to click on the page here, and there's a couple of ways. If I want to transition between these two, what I can do is just kind of like hover in between, and then that appears. Okay, so the little icon, that's the add transition button. Then you'll get to where I am in the video and add your transition. Okay, I'm going to turn it off to none. Okay, show you a couple other ways. I don't know. They've taken away one way and added 3 new ways. What you can do is click on this and say, see this little dots here, and you say add transition. End up in the same place, add a dissolve. There's a little icon in there. You want to get rid of it? Click on it. Okay, down here, this opens, and you can say none. Close it down. Okay, if you've got one existing already, okay, you can click on the icon and back into here. So they've gone and removed it from this contextual taskbar on the top. Oh, there's a third way. There is a third way. You can right click on the page and say add transition. Okay, so lots of ways now, 3 ways instead of 1 way, but it's not the way I recorded the course in. All right, good luck. Don't worry, transitions are still easy. They just went and moved them. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, click on a page, click on the background, and click on transition. And you've got transitions. I'm gonna go to this first one here, and I'm gonna go dissolve. I'm just gonna work through a couple of them and add them. What you'll see down the bottom here is, can you see the transitions start appearing? So you can click on them to bring them up to edit them, and you'll see that it kind of previews it, which is kind of, I don't know, good, bad, I don't know, it's doing it. And you can see they're all slightly different. So this one here obviously has direction and duration, and the dissolve here, let's go to the first one, dissolve, okay, only has how long it takes to dissolve. The defaults are all pretty good, okay, and once you found one you like, you can go through and just say, all right, I want them all to dissolve, and just go to apply to all pages, and it will go through, can you see, and just apply the dissolve to all the pages. They're all different. Line wipe, they're good enough. Like, these are all kind of nice and simple. They can get a little bit jazzy, okay? I really don't like circle wipe, but that could just be me. I find they're a little bit distracting from, you know, the chop. Okay, it's a bit distracting from the presentation. You might find, like, they don't have barn doors. Hands up for who knows barn doors from PowerPoint. Okay, this is like the worst one in the world. Or the blind one, you remember that one? Anyway, they've got nice ones in here, so you might find that actually flow is, you know, it's kind of jazzy. I'm using jazzy and using my hands, but it's not too bad. Okay, and you'll see there's just simple controls for them all. Easy peasy. Remember just to preview your presentation. Okay, you can present full screen. I'm gonna go present, and I'm gonna use my arrow keys on my keyboard. Okay, just to kind of cycle through and see which ones I picked. Lots of dissolves. All right, so we won't labor over this, and this is easy. Just make sure you click on the background, apply it. Okay, you can apply it to all, don't use chop. All right, I'll see you in the next video.